Welcome to Meadville, Pennsylvania, a historic town nestled along French Creek, known for its innovation in manufacturing and strong sense of community, and home to one of Post Consumer Brands' pet food plants. Here in Meadville, Post operates one of the region's largest employers, our pet food manufacturing facility, home to nearly 300 dedicated team members. This 135,000 square foot plant is where we produce iconic pet food brands like Rachael Ray Nutrish and Nature's Recipe. Every day, our team works with high-protein meat technologies and extrusion processes to deliver over 350 million pounds of pet food annually. Our story began in 1933, when George Lang, nicknamed Dad, created his own dog food recipe to feed a surprise litter of 11 puppies on a budget. That spirit of innovation lives in Meadville today. More than 9 decades later, we're still proudly providing quality food for people and their pets across a variety of budgets. Whether you're in quality and food safety, environmental health, or on the packaging line, every role here matters. We're proud of our culture of safety, community, and continuous improvement. At Post Consumer Brands, we believe in making lives better, starting with our people. If you're looking for a career that feeds both purpose and progress, Meadville is the place to be. Come grow with us. Visit our website to explore career opportunities to join our team in Meadville.